So I'm gonna share with you my secret, and I'm gonna let you know how I reached 500 subscribers. But before that, I wanna say thanks to all of you guys. Thanks for the support. If you're a Spanish speaker, or you're bilingual, or you're an English speaker and you're subscribed to this channel, I wanna let you know that I'm very thankful for that. I wanna thank for your time, for your comments, for your likes. And there's one video about the Unfold app, and this video has overpassed the other video that I made in Spanish about the same app. So I know that I have some viewers that are investing their time in my channel, and I want to say thank you. So the way to reach 500 subscribers is easy. You gotta keep publishing, you gotta keep creating videos, and you gotta make it very often. My first goal when I started this channel was to make 30 videos every month, and at the end it was gonna be, if we compare it like every video to every day, it's gonna be one video for one day. And I kept that pace for like 4 months, because right now I have like more than 100 videos in my channel, but I just realized that I just cannot keep up with that. So I'm just gonna slow down a little bit, because I have like some other projects that I'm working on. So I have to deal with my job. I'm also studying, I'm going to school, and I'm working in this YouTube channel, plus my Instagram account, and that takes so much time. And I've also slowed down on my Instagram account. I am publishing now once a day, and before I was publishing twice a day. So I'm gonna slow down on Instagram, I'm gonna slow down on this channel, but I'm just gonna keep publishing. And I'm doing this because I want to be responsible, and I don't want to like create bad stuff. I don't want to create bad images or bad videos. So that's why I'm doing it. And because of that, I'm not gonna reach my goal on 1 year, which is reaching 365 videos a year. That would be 1 per day. I'm just not gonna, I don't think I will make it, because there's 1 month and a half that I'm really busy, and there's another month and a half that I'm not that busy, but still busy, and I cannot reach my goals. So yeah, that's very simple. Like, you gotta keep publishing videos, and YouTube is gonna promote your content, and then you're gonna keep getting subscribers. And I gotta make emphasis on this, because a lot of people say that their channel doesn't grow, but it doesn't grow because they don't publish videos. I mean, it's just common sense. If you don't create videos, you're not gonna grow. And also, you gotta keep in mind, why are you making your channel? You wanna get likes, you wanna get comments, you wanna get shares, you wanna get subscribers, or you wanna make money out of it? You gotta like think about it and be specific in that goal. In my channel, my main goal on the long run is to make money. That's why I don't ask people to subscribe, because for me it's very annoying. And if they subscribe to my channel, it's because they liked my content. And I feel like most people should subscribe to channels doing the same way. It's just like, think about yourself. If you were subscribed to one channel, it's because you actually like the content. Because that's what I do. I want to make money out of my channel, sharing what I know how to do, like tutorials. And there's an app that shows you when you can actually start making money on your channel. In my channel, I thought about it way back, and I wanted to make views. So I was like, how can I reach more views? And I thought about it, and I realized that showing people how to do stuff gets a lot of views. So that's why I'm making this channel. And in this app that shows you how much watch time you have and how many subscribers you have, I overpassed already the threshold of 4,000 hours of watch time. I already overpassed that, and my subscribers are 500 something. But I know that I'm gonna reach 1,000 very soon, so I'm just gonna apply to make money. But what I want you to think about is to be honest with yourself, and just think about your channel and what's the main goal of it. Because like if you think about it, why do you want subscribers? Sometimes they don't even get notice of your channel. They don't get notified, or they don't get an email even though they have subscribed already, or they have clicked the bell, and they don't get notifications. Just think about when you're watching videos, like let's say you watch a video about cars and you're not subscribed to channels that are about cars, and for some reason YouTube pushes to you like videos about cars even though you're not subscribed to them. So like you don't know, like the algorithm is so weird. Like sometimes I don't understand it. So but yeah, just keep in mind like what do you want to do with your channel, and once you know that, you have to create your content based on what you want to do. But yeah, that's my secret. So just keep publishing, keep creating, keep answering comments, and that's the way you can reach 500 subscribers. And just keep in mind that I never ask people to subscribe to my channel. They subscribe to my channel because they actually like my content. The one ya me trabé. Helicopter. Ta madre, este güey, cuántas pinches vueltas va a dar.